In the breathtaking heights of the Andes, a giant rides the winds. Meet the Andean condor, one of the largest flying birds in the world. With a wingspan of up to 10 feet, the Andean condor commands the skies. Its broad, dark wings and stark white collar are unmistakable. This incredible bird isn't just built for beauty, it's built for survival. Gliding on warm air currents, it can soar for hours without a single wing beat, searching for food far below. In Andean culture, the condor is a symbol of power and freedom, often seen as a messenger between the earth and the heavens. But even the king of the skies faces challenges. Habitat loss and hunting have put pressure on their numbers, making conservation efforts essential. Witnessing an Andean condor in flight is like glimpsing a piece of ancient history. For thousands of years, these giants have graced the Andes, inspiring awe with their grace and resilience. And with our help, they'll continue to soar, a timeless part of these mountains. The Andean condor, a guardian of the skies, an icon of the wild, and a powerful symbol of freedom, reminds us that life's greatest heights are reached when we embrace the open sky.